Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, RedLineMods. Tuning back in. New product, wireless charger, fast charging, wireless charger. New one. Repeat. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to all right, take 3. Welcome back to my channel, guys. What's going on? So today I'll be posting. Yeah, right. I'm actually posting it now. What am I talking about? All right, take 4. I think we might go to take 5, but no, let's give it a shot. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, RedLineMods. Tim tuning back in. This charger we got right here should be trending right now because we got this. This is a 15 watt, I believe, fast charging, wireless, and the magnets are pretty strong as well. The style is pretty cool. This is the packaging, so opens up just like that. Put the packaging aside. Got a manual in there. Pretty cool. This is it right here. The style is pretty dope. Just like that. It's all magnet around it. 15 watt. Yes, fast charging. And I was right on that. Just pull it out. Take this out. You actually have what's it called? The attachment right here. So just literally push this ball into it. Well, first you want to put that here so you can tighten it at the end once you adjust it, whatnot. There you go. That's in. And now you can just make that tight so the ball is in there and tight. Actually, my bad. I'll show you guys the whole product on one set. But there you go. This is a holder right here. All right, this is gonna hold this, and this is what's gonna charge your smartphone that has magnetic charging, so wireless charging, whatnot. Cool. And you guys could place this literally in the office as well. Just place your phone on it, it will start charging it, which is pretty cool, right? Whatnot. There you go. Just like, it's pretty strong. And putting it inside the vent, you got this strong clip right here, and then you have this for leverage as well in the bottom. So if it's like, so it won't go up and down like that, it'll actually hold. It's like leverage, so it's pretty cool. We're gonna remove this garbage that I have right here. We're gonna connect this one in. Sorry, it's a little bit dark. Let me turn the flashlight on. All right, perfect. We got some flashlight now. Perfect. All right. So let me see which. You can see which vent, which row is gonna be working best for you guys. I think this is perfect. So you can see, kind of lays. This is a CRV. Put it in the middle vent, and it actually works perfect for the middle one. Pushed all the way in, perfect. As you can see, this is used for leverage. See, this was not dangling all over the place. And you can place the phone towards you, a little bit high, however you like. And you will also receive, you can keep it there, since it comes with a Type-C, and if you don't have a Type-C in your vehicle, you could just, I will send you one of these USB adapter. So that's all it takes. Just connect it in, you should be good to go. And we'll connect that and we'll give it a shot. So you must have a smartphone, the newest models obviously, possibly 11, whichever has magnetic wireless charging feature. So there we have it. Pretty dope. And you guys could have it like on the fly, you know, wireless charging. It charges way better than the wireless charger that comes with the car, actually, in my experience. But yeah, you guys can grab it. Links in the description below. Make sure you guys use discount code RedLine10. Appreciate support. Make sure you guys follow my IG for new products and stuff like that. Be launching soon, and yeah, it's really great. So peace out till next time, fam.